In 1979, American diplomats were taken hostage in Iran. The crisis shocked the world. President Jimmy Carter responded quickly. He frozen billions of dollars of Iranian assets in the United States. The goal? Put pressure on Iran to release the hostages. But that was only the beginning. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Several American companies had lawsuits pending against Iran. One of those companies was Dames & Moore. They had contracts in Iran, and they wanted compensation. Then, in January 1981, just as Ronald Reagan was about to take office, a deal was struck. To secure the hostages' release, the United States agreed to unfreeze certain Iranian assets, cancel pending lawsuits in U.S. courts, move those claims to a new international tribunal. Dames & Moore was not happy.
Wait a minute. How can the president cancel our lawsuit? Isn't that the jobs of the courts?
So the question went to the Supreme Court. Can the president suspend private lawsuit and transfer them to an international claim process as part of a foreign policy agreement? In 1981, the court said, largely yes. The justices reasoned that Congress had previously authorized broad emergency powers. There was a history of presidents settling international claims. In matters of foreign affairs, especially during crises, the president has significant authority, particularly when Congress has not object. The court did not say the president has unlimited power, but it did say that in this situation, with congressional backing and long-standing practice, the executive action was valid. The hostages were released, the lawsuits were redirected, and the case became a major example of presidential power in foreign affairs. In moments of national crisis, who has authority to act quickly? The courts, Congress, or the president? In Dames & Moore versus Reagan, the Supreme Court gave the president considerable room to maneuver, and that decision still shapes how executive power works today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, follow along for more. See you on the next one.